Two-factor authentication not working on Qtrade Investor App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Qtrade Investor app, it can be frustrating, especially when you need quick access to your account. But don't worry, this problem usually has a simple fix. Most people get it wrong because they overlook one key setting. Start by checking your phone's time settings. Go to your device settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Two-factor authentication codes are extremely time-sensitive, and even a small time mismatch can make your code invalid. Next, check for updates in your app store. Running an outdated version of the Qtrade app can cause authentication errors, especially after recent system upgrades. Once updated, restart the app and try again. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, open it and select the option to sync time for codes. This ensures your device's code timing matches Qtrade's server clock exactly. If your SIM's verification code isn't arriving, disable your VPN and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Network restrictions or VPNs often block automated text messages. If you've recently switched phones or lost access to your Authenticator app, tap Can't Access Two-Factor on the login screen. Qtrade's support team can verify your identity and help you reset your two-factor setup safely. For persistent issues, uninstall and reinstall the Qtrade Investor app. This clears any corrupted cache or old login data that might be interfering with the authentication system. Once your app time and security settings are properly synced, your two-factor authentication should start working again. It may feel like an inconvenience now, but this extra step is a crucial layer of protection that keeps your investment secure and your account safe from unauthorized access.